0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 27. Discussion with friend.
Ashfaq and Rashid are friends. They could not meet each other for long. One day, Ashfaq goes to the market. He meets Rashid all of a sudden, and the following discussion goes on.
Hi, Rashid.
Hello.
How are you?
All is okay. And how about you?
I am fine too.
That is really good. MashaAllah.
Where were you? I have not seen you for a long.
Actually, my father was sick for 15 days. That's why I couldn't meet you.
May Allah give him a speedy recovery. What illness did he have?
He had a fever. It was a very high fever.
How is his health now?
MashaAllah, he is fine now, and his health is much better than before.
MashaAllah, I am happy to know this.
And tell me about you. What are you doing nowadays?
Nothing special. Just passing the time. Yes, when I become free. I just read the book. I just finished a book yesterday.
Which book?
Actually, that is a novel.
Which novel?
The name of that novel is Akbar.
Have you read it completely?
Yes, I have read it completely.
Great. Keep it up.
Okay, we'll meet again. Now I'm going to the market.
Okay. See you soon, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Bye.
Bye.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.